In this video, I'm going to show you how to bead on illusion nets if you want to bead the sleeve. I'm going to show you two ways on how to bead it in case if you don't have a mannequin. So first of all, make sure to wear your illusion net on anything that will make it stretch like this. Can you make it see? This is how it's supposed to be on the person's body. Make sure it is fitted on whatever you're going to use. So first thing you're going to do is you will need your invisible thread. It's very, very important. If you're beading on illusion net, you must use your invisible thread. And then you will need your needle. Your needle should be as big as tiny as enough to pass through your beads. Do you understand? Even if it's the normal bead, whatever, but it's as long as it can pass through your bead, then that's okay. There are other types of needle, but this is the one I have at the moment, and that's the one I want to use to show you how to do this. So I have gone ahead and threaded my thread. You can see the invisible thread. So one thing you're going to make sure is that one side of the thread is longer than the other. Do you understand? So you're not going to knot it, you're just going to leave it like that. You see how I left it like that? I don't know if you can see the two sides. One side, see this, and this is the other one. Don't knot any of them. So next thing you're going to do, you're going to first of all, you're going to tie or knot your thread on your illusion net first before you start beading. So see what you're going to do. You're going to pass your needle, grab a little bit, can you see, a little bit, and you're going to pass your thread like this. Then the side that is longer, which is this one, the short one, you're going to pick it and tie it. Pick it and tie it so that we can secure this properly. You tie it, can you see? And you go ahead, knot it again. Knot it as many times as possible. I just hope my camera is catching this. I'm just hoping my camera is catching this. So you knot it as many times as possible. Can you see? It has been knotted. I hope you're seeing this. As you can see, this is it after threading it. Next is the bead I'll be using. You can use any type of bead, but I'll be using crystal bead, and this is the smallest size of the bead. I don't know if it's size 10 or so, but it's the smallest size of the crystal bead. Then you will decide the design you want to make. Either you want to make it straight like this, or you want to make it scattered like this. It depends on the design you want to make. I want to make it in straight line. I have two designs, one scattered and one straight line. So I'm going to pick 5 beads. So this is the 5 beads that I've picked. Go ahead and pass it like this, and where it stopped, you're going to sew there. Can you see? You sew it there. I like to always hold my thread so that this thread can be so annoying. Then you knot it there. Can you see? It has been knotted. Can you see? Then if you want, you can knot it again. You can knot it again. Make sure to always pass your hand to guide the thread. The thread can be so annoying. So you knot it again. I'm going to also pick another one, another 5 beads. So I have 5 beads. Oh, then Pass it again. When you get to where it is, sew it. Make sure to always guide your thread. Make sure to always guide your thread. It's very important. Then I'm going to, can you see? Can you see? Make sure to always guide your thread. If you want to pull it again, if you want to continue your straight line, you can do it again. So always make sure that your net is fitted properly. Another 5. Always use your hand to guide your thread. This thread, I can't stress it enough, is annoying. So you're going to also knot it again. You're going to knot it again. Can you see? It's properly knotted. So I'm going to stop this straight line and make a single one. So I'm just going to pass this to where I want it to be. Just make one scattered one so you see. Then you're going to knot it. Can you see? See how simple it is? Then you pass it to another place where you want it to be. Pass it again to where you want it to be. Pick your needle, your bead, and bead on that place. Make sure you always knot it. Always knot it. So you can see how it is. And because the thread, the invisible thread is single, you can hardly see it. So I'll continue to bead all of them and then I'll show you the final look.